English muffin with an amazing way. As you see, it is rich British bread. Normally they have it for breakfast. An amazing recipe. We do it together. Really nice, and this is the original one. I am always do to my guest in the breakfast. 75 gram water, 75 gram milk, and 4.5 gram yeast. This is very important step. I mix, I leave it minimum 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, 270 gram flour, all-purpose flour, 13 gram sugar, 3 gram salt, and later on 15 gram melted butter. You just mix it all, added the butter. It is rich, really rich breakfast bread. And then we added our yeast. It's already proving. Normally I do it overnight. So I make the dough, I leave it to rest, I spread the dough, I cut the shape I want, normally round, and then I keep it overnight in the fridge, and I make it a la minute when the guest ask. Very important to knead the dough at least 10-15 minutes to have elastic dough. And then you roll it, you cover it with the plastic, you leave it to rest 40 minutes. After that 40 minutes, I spread. Normally, it should be 3 centimeter high. The dough should be 3 centimeter high. But I like it very thin, like 1 centimeter. But the original recipe is 3 centimeter high. So do what you find suitable for you. The rest of the dough, I mix it, I will cut it later on. Then I keep it overnight in the fridge, or at least after 3 hours. Then in nice non-stick pan, I reheated medium, and then I cook my bread, or and now you have fantastic breakfast. It takes like 2 minutes each side, and then you can roll it to have the golden color. If you still stay my channel, please make subscribe. If you like video, you share it with your friend, and most of all, you give us nice star and leave a comment which video you want us to make next time. Have a good day. Don't work harder, work smarter.